Apple quietly shipped something that changes how every Mac works, and most people have no idea it happened. Native container machines on macOS. That sentence might not sound exciting yet. By the end of this video, you will understand why developers and AI builders are losing their minds over it. Apple has introduced macOS container machines, a native way to run lightweight, isolated computing environments directly on your Mac. Think of it like this: you can now run a completely separate mini-computer inside your Mac without any extra software or complicated setup. To understand why this matters, you need to know what containers are. Containers are isolated boxes that let developers run software in a controlled environment, the same environment every time, on every machine. Docker made containers popular on Linux and Windows. Apple just made them native on Mac. For AI developers specifically, this is a game changer. Running AI models locally, on your own hardware, without sending data to a cloud server, requires exactly this kind of isolated environment. Apple just made that dramatically easier for the 100+ million Mac users worldwide. What this means in practice is that building, testing, and running AI-powered apps on a Mac becomes as simple as it has always been on Linux. Before this, Mac developers had to use workarounds, virtual machines, compatibility layers, complex setups. That friction is now gone. The timing is not accidental. Apple is clearly building toward a future where AI runs on your device, not in the cloud. On-device AI is faster, private, and does not depend on an internet connection. Container machines are a foundational piece of that future. There is also a competitive angle here. Microsoft and Linux have had native container support for years. This has been a real disadvantage for Mac in professional and AI development circles. Apple just closed that gap in a single release. The thing most people miss here is this. When infrastructure improves quietly, it unlocks a wave of new products that follow months later. The AI tools that get built on top of this capability in the next year, those are the ones that will surprise you. If you want the biggest AI stories every week without having to search, subscribe. I drop these every single day. Also, if you want to make your own professional AI voiceovers like the one in this video, try 11 Labs for free, https://try11labs.io/emfhbfp3yumn, it is what I use. Want to actually grow your YouTube channel? vidIQ gives you the keywords and analytics to do it, https://vidq.com/amaster, free to start. And if you want to go deeper on AI, books, courses, tools, check out what is on Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/tag=01210521-20. I will see you in the next one.